On August 10, 2022, Monroe County Sheriff deputies were advised of a female causing a disturbance in Wilton, Wisconsin. The 22-year-old female, later identified as Daisy Mendoza, was reportedly breaking things and then left the residence on foot. While searching the outskirts of the village, the deputies observed Daisy walking on the side of the road. They were familiar with her and dealt with her several times in the past. When Daisy noticed the approaching deputies, she took off running into the marsh. Once they got a hold of her, she was resistive and uncooperative.
You got that? 23, if you got a spit mask, bring that with. Give me this leg. You give us this hand. Grab this. Tell him to bring a spit mask. Stop! Stop! Spit mask. Yeah, we need to. You're not going to spit on us, all right? I'll stop as soon as you stop. Stop! Stop resisting right now! Stop! Knock it off! We need a spit mask!
She continued to tense her arms and legs while screaming and threatening the deputies.
Enough! Knock it off! Stop! Keep it up! Give me your hand! I got one hand I'm trying to get out, and she's been trying to bite and then spit. Quit it! You need to stop. There's 3 of us here, you're not gonna... You're gonna make this worse. Quit pushing off of us. What do you need? Are you able to get that mask on? Enough! I'm trying to, but I'm trying to not let her bite me. Get this hand right here. I got this. Right here, other one. A little bit. I got it. Let that one go. I will as soon as you get this one. Yeah! Quit resisting us, and this wouldn't hurt. Daisy, what the hell are you trying to accomplish here? You're not going anywhere. Ooh. Better just... Come on. Can you get better? Can you wait till this have a leg strap? Until you calm down? Have a leg strap? Yeah. In the glove box, I believe. In the glove box? Or the leg strap. What's that going to look like? It's not in the glove box. It's in the door compartment. But it's just a strap wrapped up like this. It kind of looks like a tourniquet almost. Just look. You! You retarded! You retarded! Daisy, why? Why? Stop! I put you on an animal complaint. Stop! Stop! Stop everybody! Just stop! A little shit with you whore! You need to relax. Once you relax, we'll continue on with what we're doing here. Stop, Daisy. Stop! You work out. Open that up. You might not be able to get it around, so you might just have to re-thread it. I have this much energy.
Daisy was able to move the spit hood around and landed saliva on the deputy's face.
Stop. Stop, Daisy. Just stop. You. Daisy. You. You. God. Damn it. She spit right through that mask.
Yeah, I think that...
I got another one in there.
Yeah, I saw that. You want me to run up and grab it? Alright.
Stop spitting, Daisy. God, this has got to be killing you. Stop.
You're killing me.
Stop. Just stop. Just calm down.
White, black, dude.
God, Daisy. For Christ's sake, stop. Well, I hope you don't. I don't want you to die.
Oh, bitch. Ah!
Stop.
There's three of us.
Stop. Stop. Stop resisting. Just stand. Sit still.
You're retarded. You're going to use it tasing me.
Here's the next thing that's going to happen, Daisy. I'll tase you. I'm going to tase you if you don't stop resisting. That's the next thing that's going to happen, Daisy. You're going to get tased.
You're so stupid.
You're going to get tased.
Daisy, we're trying to help you. We're setting you up so you can breathe better.
You. Don't wait for me. Get that cows.
Blade, come get a break.
Cows. Cows. Cows.
Keep her head down. Just that mask a little tighter came off again. This is actually thinner than the one you have.
I'm excited.
I don't know if we're going to be able to do that or not.
Daisy, just stop. For the love of God.
What you on? Just leave the white thing over the top. So we can carry her out.
Cindy, tell me you want to try and do it.
One on each shoulder, one on the legs. Me and him can take the shoulders. Did you get bit or anything? That's from her?
Yeah, that's from her fingernails digging into me.
I know she tried biting me a couple
Yeah,
times.
you got blood there.
Shit.
Jesus. What the hell?
What's going on in Wilton?
I don't know. I can't tell if it's a full moon or what.
You're white.
Well, I can't help that, Daisy.
Okay.
I was born this way.
Okay.
We're not out here because any race or color matter.
Yeah.
It's because you can't control your behavior.
You're fucking.
You know, your parents called me and wanted to file charges against you for busting the TV and throwing stuff all over the house.
Yeah! Dude, f*** you! Oh! This is my shit! I don't give a fuck!
You're a whole mess, so that ain't gonna help. Can we get going with what we need to do here?
Are you tuckered out enough that we can get
I
out of
hate
here?
you. Shut the f***
You don't have to like us.
Stop f***ing talking to me, then. You f***ing retarded bitch! Stupid!
You got some pretty strong legs.
Retarded bitch!
Are you done?
Grab this guy.
If we can get her, we're just gonna have to do what we gotta do here. Hey, what is she trying to accomplish here? You heard it all. Never mind that. You heard it. She's biting me.
I'm started.
So once we get her up there, that leg strap's gonna be thrown out for her.
Fuck off me!
Really? This is gonna hurt if you get. Do it. Quit fucking around. Quit it! Why the hell are you screaming? Quit screaming! This will be done with you. Properly. I can't be carrying you and you pinching and... The only thing I think of is EMS comes in.
What's wrong with me?
Can you stand up for us, please, and walk?
Would you walk? Would you stand up and walk?
Careful, that hood's out.
You're putting yourself in this position.
Stop. Daisy, please. Daisy, stop.
Quit that.
Fucking retarded. They let me alone. You're stupid.
Your hand. Open your hand.
Why?
Stop.
So you guys just harm me. Stupid. So fucking good. Get the fuck off me.
Stop anytime you want. You can stop this anytime you want.
Fucking do it.
Alright, let's just shut it up there. Go. Watch this crick. Enough, Daisy.
Oh, you stupid. You.
Hold on. No, yeah. But that's gotta go.
Stupid.
I don't know. No, it's not. Not with her sitting like this.
Stupid.
Shut the door and let her have it. Ready?
Show yourself.
When she was placed in the squad car, she kicked the roof of it repeatedly.
Dispatch, no, we finally got her out of the squad. Still actively resisting. And notified jail staff will be in route shortly.
18 right.
Hold on, hey.
We finally got her in the squad. She's continuously resisting. Advise jail that will be in route shortly.
I'm gonna shut this down. I'm off too. I'm muted anyway.
Just about.
She eventually was able to use her foot to tear out of the spit hood.
Stupid. Fuck off me. Fuck off me, shit. Retarded.
Alright guys, I'm headed back to the office.
Alright. Oh, I thought we were gonna surprise you.
That's enough. Now he's spitting in the cab.
That's enough.
What a pig. Real lady like.
You're a fucking fat ass cunt. Nigga, fuck you. Stupid retarded fat fucking white fucking cat.
Dude, why are you just...
Shut up! I'm fucking talking to you!
Tight bucket.
No, she's got in her mouth.
Don't get your fingers in.
Oh, I know.
Let go! Hey, let go! Enough!
Get the fuck off me, you fucking stupid.
Not until you stop resisting. Hey, stop it. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
Fuck off me! Fucking retard!
Hey, please stop.
You're fucking stupid!
The deputy observed spit on his computer and other equipment from Daisy spitting through the holes of the backseat cage.
Oh, nice.
Oh, you're so stupid! Why you put it there a fucking million times? Stupid!
Daisy! Knock it off. You're gonna cut your head. Let them know. Hopefully they bring a couple people. Well, hopefully she's tired herself out. But she's still kicking around a little bit. But have any extra spit hoods? Do we have spit? Any extra spit hoods? She's been biting a hole under your foot on her. Yeah, she's spitting all over, spitting in our faces, spitting in the squad, spitting. Oh, she's biting and fucking scratching, everything. So yeah, she's probably pretty tired. I know we're tired. Just a little scrapper. But I guess her kid was taken away about a week ago. Social service took her kid away, and that's why she's all upset to begin with. So.
Daisy, you want to sit up so we can get you out of the car?
Daisy. Daisy.
You gonna walk? Stand up, Daisy, come on.
Daisy.
You're just hurting yourself. Can you open the paddock from the side port?
Count it in front of the camera. This is what I had. $20. Open it up. Here's what's going on to do.
Daisy was charged with felony counts of battery threat to an officer, ×3, discharging bodily fluids, ×3, and bail jumping. Misdemeanor counts of resisting, disorderly conduct, ×2, and bail jumping. She was released on a $5,000 signature.